Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to define and create flows in GenKit with NodeJS and Gemini. So let's get started. So first you need to have NodeJS version 20 plus installed. So I have already installed on my system. Then I will just create my workspace directory. You can name this whatever you feel like. I'm just naming it as first. Okay, I'll just drag and drop it inside VS Code. Then you need to first create so I'll just sorry about this is just my previous tutorial. So first I need to cd to the first folder which I have created, right? So I have just cd to it. I'll again clear everything out. Then we first need to run npm init-y, so it will create the package.json file for us. Then we need to create a typescript file, index.ts. Okay, then here we need to install these two dependencies. So again I'll just paste it over here, npm install GenKit as well as GenKit-ai/Google AI. Then we need to create an API key. So just click on this and it will open this particular thing inside a new tab. So just click on create API key, and here you just need to use Gemini API. Click on create API in existing project. So it will give you the API key. Just keep on just copy it. We'll use it in a second. Then we'll copy this particular bit of code and I'll just paste it over here. Command V to paste it. Now I don't want this particular part. We need to change it a bit, but before that we need to pass our API key over here. So I'll just pass it like this, but we don't have our API key inside environment variable. Typically you should store it inside environment variable, as that is a good programming practice, but given that this is just a sample project, I'll directly paste it inside my code. Then come over here. Then we need to go to this documentation. So this is how we would define and call a flow. So first let's copy it and then try to understand it. Okay, so I'll just copy this particular bit of code. Okay, I think I messed it up. You can firstly export it like this, okay, or create a function out of it. Then first I think we need to include this z as well from here, I guess. Yes. Okay, I'm getting an error. I don't know why. Maybe the documentation is not correct, I guess. Yeah, I think the documentation is still in work in progress. Is not assignable to acha. It is using Zod. Okay, theme and menu item. Okay, let's do one thing. Let me quickly check my sample project, because I think there is still a lot of issues with the documentation. So I have created one sample thing as well. Okay, I'll just split it to the right side. You can ignore this particular file, just concentrate on index.ts. So here you can see I have created a flow. So yeah, here, then here async, it should be directly input. It has been named as input, right? So I can use it like this, I guess. Okay, I don't need to generate the AI model again. Okay, yeah, sorry, we have to AI.generate. We have just defined it over here, right? We are using it over here, but we don't need to use it like this. I think we can directly pass the question. Okay, we can directly pass the theme, I guess. Command is, let's see, what am I missing? Okay, let's just hold on for a second. So I don't want this menu suggestion flow, right? Maybe, yeah, this is, the name is fine. Okay, and here this name is also fine. Then the next thing is, here typically this should be your question, right? So I'll just name it as question, and this would be your output or answer. You can name it whatever you feel like, but be consistent with your naming. So yeah, this is fine. So this we have done. Then here it will take the input, and this name I think can be anything. Then here what we are doing, we are getting the text, then we are doing AI.generate, but here we need to pass something like this. But why am I still getting an error over here? I don't understand. AI.define flow. Because I'm not getting an error over here. I'm missing something simple. Async input. Okay, and here I think I think I need to return the it like this, right? Return the output as like this. Yeah, so hopefully you got the point. So in case if you don't, let's hold on that for a second and I'll tell you how to use it. Okay, and here it should be menu suggestion flow. Okay, I think there was some issue with the documentation, so let me explain it. So here we define our flow. All you need to do is ai.define flow, right? You have to give it some name. It can be anything, mostly your function name. Okay, then here we have to define an input as well as output. So for input I have defined the name as question. You can name it again whatever you feel like, but then you will have to change it over here as well. And this is for the output. Again, you can name it whatever you feel like, but then here you will have to change it, as well as here you will have to change it, and here as well. Okay, so yeah, be careful with the naming. Then here it takes the input, and input has a question, right? So that's why I'm doing input dot question, and whatever out here I'm just getting a text and I'm assigning it to our text. So here you can name it as text as well, just to save yourself some more typing, but yeah, it's up to you. Then here we just call our flow, menu suggestion flow, right? And here we just pass the question, and here we ask it, tell me about Nicole Kidman. So she's an actress, and whatever output I get, I just print it to the console. So hopefully you understood it, not that difficult. And now to run it, I can just do npx tsx index.ts, because this is a TypeScript file, right? So I'll just run this. Let's just hold on for a second, and hopefully this should do the trick for us. Again, we are not really streaming over here. You can stream this as well. If you want to understand more about streaming, it's pretty simple. You can watch my other video, but here I'm just getting the output in one flow and then just printing it to the console. Hopefully it prints and I don't run out of free credits, because yeah, here you can see it has printed all the output for us. So yeah, that's how you can define a flow, like an input output flow with GenKit in NodeJS and Gemini. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.